Thanks. Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual classes provided by DAV Thermal. In previous lecture, we have discussed question answers, the case of sharp eye jeweler. I hope all of it clear. Today we will discuss horse value, life skills, and writing skill. The first one, horse. Intelligence is using common sense to the full. This is with reference to the story. This is indeed true in reference to the story of William Morris, used his sharp wit or intelligence to solve the mystery of the stolen ruby diamond ring. His keen observation of both customer and his common sense to catch the robbers is remarkable. If he had not used his common sense, he wouldn't have been able to put things correctly and solve the case of mystery. Now, the second part is there, but she was not wearing black or any other sign of mourning. The first part is there. Why is the black considered to be a sign of mourning? Black is considered to be a sign of mourning because, in particular religion, especially in the Christians, it is believed that we pay homage to the departed soul by wearing black clothes. The second part, B part, why do you think some people wear white also for the same reason? Some people wear white also for the same reason because it is considered pious and we are able to remember the departed soul by thinking of his deeds. I hope all of you cleared the first two parts. Now, the C part, should color be given more importance or the heartfelt feelings? It is certainly the heartfelt feeling which should be given more importance because no matter what color you wear, it the feeling you keep for the that matters the most. Now the life scale. I hope all of you clears the hearts. Now the life scale. Why did William Morris make a sign to Mr. Skin before speaking to the American about the flower ring? William Morris made a sign to Miss Susskind before speaking to the American about the flowering. He asked her to come and stand him beside him so that she can keep a watchful eye on him. Second part is there. Why was it important to conduct a thorough search on the American before reporting the matter to the insurance company? Before reporting the matter to the insurance company, it is very important that the staff at the Regnier does a thorough search because blaming someone without a proof would prove detrimental to the company. Now, the C part is there. Why were the American and his accomplice not handed over to the police? The American and his accomplice were not handed over to the police because Mr. Morris or William Morris noticed that they were very frightened and nervous, hence, they pitied them. Now, the value part. I hope all of you clear hearts and life scale. Now, the value part. Miss Susskind is mostly seen to be calm and composed throughout the story. She doesn't react impulsively. Do you think she is right in doing so? Why not? She doesn't react impulsively because she is vigilant and very intelligent. She is right in doing so because William Morris is able to save the diamond ruby ring being stolen with her help. Now, the writing skill. Here is you have to write down a diary entry. Imagine yourself to be the young lady. Because young lady is also the main character of this story. Write a diary entry how the jeweler vigilance assistant foiled your well planned plan to steal the ring. So all of you know the procedure of diary entry. What is the format? First of all, you have to write down date, day, timings. Then you suppose you are to consider yourself as a young lady and you have to write down your experience. It is really unbelievable that a man can ever be so vigilant as the jeweler assistant was, who was responsible for making a well knit plan fail. My companion and me made a foolproof plan to steal some precious piece of jewelry from the Regnier. We behaved accordingly. My companion had carried out his part very smartly. No one could suspect him. We would have easily stolen the ring, but unfortunately, the assistant jeweler was a good observer of human behavior and had sharp eyes. I must praise him for each and every one to conjure up various factors to lead to our conclusion. Next time, before making another plan, we would make sure that no shop owner has an assistant like William Morris. In the end, you will write down who is writing this diary entry? Young lady. You have to write down young lady. I hope all of you clear this lesson. So you have to learn this lesson thoroughly at home. And the next class, we will start lesson 10 because two lessons are deducted in your literature, lesson 9 and lesson 11. Thank you. Have a nice day.